आजा यार नीचे आ। तुम करने वाले हो, जल्दी नीचे आ।
The gang is absolutely revving to go. When Anurag narrated this story in his normal, passionate, succinct, brief manner, I think it touched us in a big way to put together. And I think it's fabulous. What's fabulous about it is also the way Anurag has put together a fabulous cast, not just a...
In which order? The order बड़ा confusion है वो type. I'm lucky to have this brilliant cast in my film. सब एक से बढ़कर एक, कोई 19 नहीं. शिल्पा शेट्टी, शाइनी आहूजा, कंगना रनौत, इरफान खान, कोंकणा and Sharman and KK are missing. This is my cast.
ओ भाई साहब, खेल।
हम लोग आगे, कोई नहीं जाएगा, कोई नहीं जाएगा आगे, कोई नहीं जाएगा आगे। आगे में जाओ,
करीब करीब खड़े हो जाओ सब.
स्टील मत जाए, स्टील को जाना, हम लोग कोई नहीं जाना। अरेंज करके देगा यार, अरेंज करके देगा यार।
Thanks. अच्छा शिल्पा आप कुछ कहना चाहें?
Good evening to you. मैं क्या कहूँ? I feel extremely proud to be associated with a film like Metro. I really hope that you all love it. Whether it works or not, Anurag, honestly, I think I've enjoyed every bit of working in it, and for me, it's a film that I have, which I believe can actually change. But I think I don't. I think it truly has content. It's been very well executed by Anurag. It's been very well produced by Ronnie. It's been very well acted out by all the actors. It's a great ensemble cast, and I think to me, other than the script and the taking and the production and all of that, is definitely Preetham's music. I think he's done a fabulous job. I didn't say this to you personally because we haven't met, but you are rocking. To actually, you have to come on stage. This is your night. Oh, the band is coming late. Okay, sorry. I mean, to actually, and still, work in the traditional milieu is very, very difficult. और वो amalgam उन्होंने जारी रखा और बहुत successful हुए ये करके. I think that's fantastic, and a huge round of applause for him. Really, I mean, kudos to you. Fabulous. So that's it. I've said my bit now. Thank you very much.
I wish. I don't know if it's a curse or it's a blessing. But मैं ये फिल्म करने के पहले I was skeptical about the role. मुझे राम ने, अनुराग ने, दोनों ने बहुत convince किया. But the day I went on the sets, I had a great time. He's excellent director to work with. You also wish, I should become a necessity for him. Thank you very much.
And we had a great time working in Gangster, and I think we hit it off right from there. And this film is completely different. It's a completely different role for me as well, and a very, very tough attempt for Anurag, which I told him in the beginning. It's a tough film, and seeing the promos, I still haven't seen the film, and I'm very, very confident. It's far more than what I expected. I expected a lot, and I'm really, really happy to also work with Shilpa and the rest of the cast over here. I didn't get to work with Irfan, but I'm sure that's going to happen soon. And I also like to thank Ronnie for making me a part of UTV with this film. And also, I think I'd speak on all our behalf that we are all very proud of Shilpa especially, and what she's achieved. And I especially was really, really, really happy And I kept telling everybody, I said, I told her also, I thought I felt that I've won something, and it's always good winning, like, you know, an award and stuff. Last year was good for me, and so I know the feeling. So I wish her all the best, and I wish the film and the music, of course, Ya Ali did really well, and Wo Lamhe, of course. And here again, Pritam is rocking again. And I wish him all the best, and I wish everyone from Metro all the best. Thank you. I had to speak a lot because everybody is speaking a lot, so.
Thanks. And I'm very excited about the music, though Pritam has been so lucky for me. And I am sure that here we go again. This time also it's my third film with him, and we have done very well so far. And it's been pleasure working with UTV, being a part of this very established production house. And Anurag, it's been always pleasure working with him, and I hope you like the music, and all the best to all of us. Thank you.
And, he has done a brilliant work. I think we all are proud of it. और प्रीतम को इस काम को पीछे छोड़ने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, उसने इतना कमाल का काम किया है. And before calling the other band members, Syed Qadri Sahab is here? Not here. The Syed Qadri Sahab has written 2 brilliant songs. My association with Syed Qadri has from Murder and Gangster. He has written In Dino and Kar Salam. Sandeep Srivastava, my very good friend, he has written another 2 songs, and Amitabh Verma. They have written some brilliant songs. We wanted a band in Metro, so we created a band.